So now let's see how we can work around with radial gradient inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip right here, and over here on the left hand side you can see that gradient and fills is an option right here. So if I were to go around and expand this, then you can see that radial gradient is an option over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then what happens is that you get the radial gradient. You can go around and pull this out over here and there as you like, and you can go around and then click and drag this out, place it wherever you want. So over here you can see that you get the preset. You can go around onto the darkness section right here, or you can go for a dim spawn effect or optical flare, as you can see right here. Then you get the effect accordingly right here, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z over here. You can see that you can go around and then rotate these out right here, but you can see that you can go around and click and drag this out to increase and decrease the size of the flare as well. So this is what you have right here, as you can see. And then if I were to go around onto darkness, this is what you have right here. You can go around and click and drag these out, as you can see right here, to get the effect that you want. I can go around onto preset right here as well. So let's just go around over here, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. And you can also go around and change around the position right here. So let's just go to optical flare, and then you can go around, change around the position right here, just like this. You can go around and type in 0 and change around the position. You can also go around and change around the radius, as you can see right here. You can increase and decrease this right here, and you can also go around and change around the color as you like right here, just like this. So you can go around and do this. So you can also go around and change around the opacity, as you can see right here. Then you got the smoothing option right here, just like this. So you can really smoothen it out, or just keep it as it is. You can go around onto gradient scatter, and you can see that you get the scatter effect right here as I work around with this. So, or you can make it smoother. You can go around and then work around with the deformation right here. So you can really go around and change around the deformation onto the other side as well. And you can see that this is what you have right here. Then you can go around and rotate it, and then work around with the blending option right here, just like this, and then get the effect that you want right here, like overlay and so forth. So let's just go around over here in optical flare, and then in the blend mode you can overlay it. You can go around and screen it right here. You can go around and subtract it right here, or you can go around and lighten right here and so forth, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can work around with radial gradient inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.